One-time close construction financing program from Capital City Mortgage. Are you interested in building your dream home? If your answer is yes, then our answer is yes. Capital City Mortgage offers the one-time close program. We can help you get financing to build your dream home. What is the one-time close program? The one-time close program allows you to finance the construction, the lot purchase, and the permanent mortgage all with one single close loan. Some of the advantages of the one-time close program include one loan that includes an interim and construction loan. There's no requalification for the loan after the house has been completed, and there is no second appraisal required. Let's talk a little bit about what you need to qualify for the one-time close program. First of all, the property needs to be your primary residence, and the property must be a single-family home. You must have a completed loan application and a loan approval with a minimum credit score requirement per the approval. If you're looking at a conventional loan, the requirement is a 680 to 700 plus credit score. If you're looking at a FHA or VA loan, the minimum credit score is 640. This loan is a fully documented loan. We must have, if you're a wage earner, 2 years of tax returns, 2 pay stubs to prove your income, as well as if you're self-employed, we would need evidence of your self-employment to include your tax returns showing a profit. We will also need proof of funds to close your transaction, and that proof of funds could include anywhere from 5% to 10% minimum, and that's going to be based on the type of loan that you're qualifying for. Financing eligibility. The max loan to values for an FHA loan is 96.5%. Now, what that means is that the down payment is going to be 3.5% if you're doing a one-time close FHA loan. If you are buying a property that's in a rural area, then you can qualify for a USDA loan and there is no down payment. So your loan to value would be at 100%. As well as if you're a veteran and you would like to build your own home, there is no down payment required. The terms that are available, you can get a 15-year to a 30-year fully amortized fixed rate loan. A 30-year loan is only available for the USDA, and for VA, you can get a 15-year or 30-year fully amortized loan. There are conforming and non-conforming loan limits. And what that means is that anything under a jumbo loan, which is considered anything conforming 250 to 499,000, you can get a regular FHA, VA, or USDA loan. If you are applying for a house that is 500K to 3 million, that is considered non-conforming and it is a jumbo loan and has different requirements for the down payment. Your loan consultant will be able to discuss those options further with you. Now, there are 4 phases of the one-time close consulting program. The first phase is the initial loan application and pre-approval. The second phase is the loan product determination, and phase 3 is the project approval process, and then phase 4 is the builder approved process. Now, we're going to talk in detail about each one of these phases. Phase 1, we must have an initial application completed and reviewed. We must take a look at your personal financial which include review of your income, your credit, and your assets. We must have a copy of your personal credit report, which is your credit, your tri-merge report, which will include a credit analysis. Now, once we take a look at your credit, if you meet the requirements, then great, we can move forward. If you do not, then we will offer recommendations as to what you need to do to get prepared for the program. Once all of your documents have been completed, phase one, you will receive a loan application pre-approval. Now let's talk about phase two, which is loan product determination. In this phase, we will determine the best product based on your loan request. And what we have to look at is where your product or your property is going to be built. So location, we have to also take a look at the loan amount that you're requesting. And those things will determine which type of loan that you're going to be pre-approved for, whether it's going to be a conventional loan, FHA, VA loan, or what your options would be. And once we've taken a look at the product analysis and your income data and reviewed everything, then we will be able to issue a product pre-approval. The next phase is phase three. It's the project approval. Because not only do you have to be approved personally and your program have to be determined, but we also have to approve the project. So we take a look at your land acquisition, we review the property that you're going to build on. We also take a look at a review of your plans and specifications to make sure that those plans are going to fit. We take a look at your budget review and make sure that everything is being allocated and that there's nothing going to be left off. We also take a look at your purchase contract between you and the builder so we can make sure that everything is done according to the contracts. We will also order all of the title work to assure that there is no liens or judgments or anything against the property that should be addressed prior to us building on the property. Also, we will make sure that you have all of the insurances in place to include the homeowner's insurance and builder's risk policies. The fourth phase is the builder approval process. Now, one of the first things that we must do when we get started with the one-time close program is to get your builder or general contractor approved. So we must obtain the builder documents that are required. We will review those documents and make sure that they are accurate and ensure that they are in compliance with what the lender is requiring. And then we will manage the process to close of escrow for your one-time close program. Next steps, getting approved. The first thing you want to do is contact Capital City Mortgage consultant that is working with the one-time close program, and they will discuss any details or answer any questions that you may have. The second thing is you must complete a mortgage application and the consulting agreement. And of course, this entails you providing all of your information that we would need from you to get started and issue a pre-approval. You must obtain a copy of your credit report from our website. And then lastly, you're going to submit all of your supporting documents to submit@capitalcitymtg.com. Now, if you're working with the consultant, they will provide you with detailed information as to where to send your documents. Once all your documents have been received, we will contact you with the next steps in the process. Thank you for attending the one-time close. I'm Tanita Bailey, President and CEO of Capital City Mortgage. If you have any questions or would like more information, please feel free to give us a call at 281-836-3029. Thank you.